Hey folks, welcome back to Muscle Cars of Texas. It's another great day in the neighborhood. You know how much fun we have around here at the shop, but especially when we're working on cars like this. 63 Impala, you know, a coupe, two-door, really nice car, inside and out. Really a nice car. But it came to us with a few issues. Suspension-wise, listen to that way that thing closes, huh? Suspension-wise, it was just too, boom, 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 you know, like this. So we did a little bit stiffening on the suspension. We also put fuel injection in it, Sniper 2 fuel injection system, radiator and fans, front runner system, AC, just all sorts of great stuff. We actually made these hubcaps. Those were off of a 63 Corvette. Is this part, and then these we bought with the SS on it because this is an original 409 SS car. And, you know, so lo and behold, car runs and drives just fantastic. But the original air cleaner that was on this car, let me grab it for you like this here, had this one little itty bitty snorkel. So that big old motor is trying to get all the air through that little hole right there. And it was bogging down under heavy acceleration. So, in my pile of stuff, I found a 63 Corvette air cleaner, 340 horsepower. We're gonna clean it up and detail it and that kind of stuff to make it fit. But this is what came on a 63 Corvette, so it's you know, right for the car, 63 Impala, 63 Corvette. So it grabs more air in there and we don't have the issue of it bogging down anymore. Worked out really great. Air conditioning, I mean, just a fantastic car. We'll be delivering this to the customer next week. So if you, and did I say it's a 409 car before? But it is, it's a 409, really special, 4-speed car. Great car. So, folks, if you got something, if you need something, if you just gotta have something like this, you know where to come, right here at Muscle Cars of Texas.